so. I don't think necessarily it's per se that I'm 100% tired. It's also fuck, wrong thing. All right, bam, bam. There we are.
Yep.
That thing is on. I don't know. Kick is just messing with me, but that's okay. I think it's fine. It's fine.
Yes.
Yo, it's Pig, who says,
Pig?
yeah, my steer vector you to the thing that is awful. Bam, Nulderif, what's up?
That's fine.
Yes, very much.
You mean null defer?
Nulderif, defer, shut up.
Nice new name is actually, yeah.
Alright, there we are. It's wait. Is my, yeah. Why does Ben Bozo have audio? I don't know.
Ben
What
Bozo
about
is audio.
Ben Bozo is audio? Yes, so I'm just gonna do an hour stream. I'm actually super tired. I woke up at 3 a.m. It's like 20 now for me, so I've been awake for 17 hours. But I just promised a live stream each day. I'm like super tired, so I'm just gonna do the live stream and I'm gonna go to sleep probably. I still would need to do some other things, but I will take care of them tomorrow morning when I wake up. What I wanted to do is to get to this thing. Kid version is older, built without extra kid, and now blah blah blah. But older is. I just wanna fix this damn one thing I have issues with. It still supports either drag, you just need to enable it manually. If you use bash. If you use bash, death, source shell. Is there such a thing as this? No such directory. That was what I was thinking. Before we proceed, check where Kitty's integration is actually. Oops. Let's see, Kitty package on order does not include a shell integrated script, download documented as preset, does not ship with. Kitty still supports inheritance without shell integration, you just need to modify your config, okay? Use mapped shortcut, so nano. Is there such as that? Well, that should exist. So neovim config kitty. What thing that broke with your kitty? I want it so that when I open a new terminal, it opens in the same current directory, and it currently at the moment does not do that, and that's so fucking annoying. I think it's annoying, and I want it to do that. So allow. I don't think there is such a. Oh wait, allow remote control. Step add shortcut to spawn new kitty in the same. Configure. What? I add it into the kitty config. Huh. Right, but it's city to projects, for example. That should be projects. And then I do... Okay, that thing works now at least. I don't know how to close it. But that thing doesn't still do it. Okay. Control D. Okay. But how can I make like a new terminal but within the same as the current folder that just created that? Right.
What?
I'm looking through Git docs. Okay. Wait, I'm just gonna ask this thing and then it can refer me to the docs. But how does the shell integration work with the CD at startup? It's beyond me. Wait, how can I make it work? I do CDRL plus T I move /size. Spawning with shell integration is apparently as easy as git and run shell. But how does the shell integration work with the CD startup? Yeah. Apparently you can open a new KDE window in the same directory. No, it doesn't. No, that. Okay, no, okay. So KDE launch current directory. So I guess I could do that. Let's see, I can probably try to run the command also like this. Yeah, that launches like that. I want it to be detached. Cloning KDE does that within a single KDE thing. Program running in the window wants to clone it into another window. Allow. Nah, it's still not the thing. I just want I want a separate like thing, or then I want to be able to move it. Move. No, because T-Chef has it working. Just like that, out of the box. I wonder what the fuck have I done that is so wrong. But I mean, it is not too bad, like I can just do this. I just need to figure out how do I scale this now. When I do this thing, I somehow changed how the split screen works. No, I want to move it. There has to be a way where I can like change how much. Oh, like that. Good, 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 good. And now, how do I switch which one is in focus? Okay, this. Can you give me the doc link to these commands? Kitty launch type win. I'll try that. Oh my god, yes! That is perfect. Thank you, Jesus Christ. That's exactly what I wanted. So wait, do I just... I'll probably just add... Wait, it was V back. Actually, I could do this, yes. I should be able to do that. No clanker necessary reading it. No? Ah, wait, this one is in the wrong. I need to do it in like this. Great! Alright, thank you. So now we can just simply do this, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. Woo! Awesome. And then I can simply just do that, because I know these commands. And I still fuck it up. And then we can take, this one we could actually take away over to here. We can go here, we can just do that. And then here we can do space time start. So we get that. I was searching for this feature, so I guess I'm also winning alongside. Hell yeah! And now here, we do this, and then we're gonna take it. Fuck, I want it. How do I want it? I think this is what I want. And then here we can just do new vim dot. And what I need to do now is what I think this is what I need to do. We actually need to go to the swap chain.sig. We're gonna change a few things. I'm gonna remove from data frame the render semaphore. I'm gonna put it in another place. We're gonna cut it out from there. And then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put it inside of the swap chain over here. Here. So we have the images, right? We're gonna put this one in here. And I'm gonna rename it to render run semaphores. Render semaphores. Semaphores. Yeah, I think I will call it that. And it will also be just an array of 16. Probably won't use them all, but I will still have the possibility. And then when we can see down here, this one should actually complain, but I don't see why it's not complaining. Anyways, fuck, how do I? How do I find next? Jesus. Side new shortcut to find next. Oh. I would assume just N, but N wasn't it. New beam. Use asterisk? Nah, I think it's true. Previous hashtag? No fucking way. So if I do this and then just... Okay, it was that. Okay. So undefined, and then it just literally create them like that. That's it. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this away from here. We're gonna go up here. And then here for each frame, so we have max frame in flight, which we will, where did we get this from? Three. So that should be, that should not be, it's based on image count that I want to use this. Okay, now I see why I have so many issues from before. It's fine, it's fine. Okay. So I'm just gonna put that in there. Fuck. Forget the damn. Wait, what? No. No! Oh Christ, I thought I was just closing the damn thing I just had open. Swap chain, please tell, how much did I now save? Render. Okay, so we can still close that. And then it's like that. So now I did it correctly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this. Can you only create one semaphore at a time? Vulkan semaphore. Timeline semaphores. Semaphores 3 here. Because then I will have to do a loop. Well, I mean, I can just create semaphore here. Semaphore info. So I assume I could probably create multiple at the same time if I just provide the info to. Yes, okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the same that we did here, yank that. And then I'm gonna go here, paste it here. I'm too fast for mine, good. And then here, I think, let's see, what do we have? We just have P next, but not, we have flags. No. Great, semaphore. This is only one at a time. There's the device create info and then allocator semaphore. Seems like device. Create a new semaphore queue semaphore object, but it's not a. I cannot do multiples. Device must be valid. Create. Let's look into the create info real quick. Device mirror host mirror. Yeah, type. Next. What could be the next? P next chain includes export metal. No. Okay, so I can't probably just do one at a time. Okay, I'm just gonna ask GPT. Can I only create one at a time? Not like 4 or so. Yes, you can create multiple, but only if the API function supports. Cannot create more than one semaphore at a time, but you can. Yeah, bruh. That's okay. Then we'll have to do a for loop real quick, but that's okay. P sure it just makes one. Yeah, it is the case. Seems like it. So what we're gonna do is just we're gonna go here. We're gonna do a for, and we're gonna go from 0 to VK image. No, oops, image count, and then we're gonna capture I. And in here, we are going to... whoops. No, I did it right. And then I did it wrong. Like so. Don't I need a semicolon? Am I stupid? I'm pretty sure I didn't need a semicolon. Doesn't like that semicolon. I don't know. Unused capture. Yo, what's up, T-Chef? And then here, we'll now create this thing. We'll create the semaphore. Now we get a pointer assigned to this thing. It should be fine. I think that pointer shouldn't be able to be mixed up. And then in here, now we got our here, right? But now we need to actually keep track of all of the semaphores. Because we haven't created the damn thing yet. Yeah, but that we can do the same way that we did with this thing. We'll take it from here. And we'll call it... We'll take... sure. Render semaphore. Yank that. Paste it there. And we'll also... Is there an easy way to just select the whole world? In Vim, is there a shortcut to select the whole word? Oh god, you should make the code bigger. It's hard to see it on phone. Bigger. Yeah. I don't know. I cannot make it much bigger because then I have like I don't see this text over here. It's like very hard. How hard is it to see on phone? Yes, there's a select all word in Neo in the frame easiest. We enter visual inner word around, so you can do viv or vav. Let's see. So if I do this, okay, and then I have the wrong thing. What does this thing? Okay, it's the same thing. And then, so I think it might be set wrap time. Set wrap time? Oh yeah. But is it now better to see? Or is it still like super... What the fuck did I just do? I just realized I did the wrong thing. Render... New render semaphore. I think it's a better name. We'll take the create semaphore info and then we'll actually just yank that, and then we'll go here and then we'll do this and we'll paste that there. And then here in the end, we'll not do that. We'll go here and we'll take render semaphores I, not O, is equal to a new render semaphore. I think that should take a new pointer every time, because it should allocate a new one. These are pointers by default. So it should take that, and should I... Now I might do it wrong, actually. If you want to replace a name instead of just selecting your, you can do it with CIW, yeah. CIW, wait, so if I... Let's try something stupid. We'll take this, right? And I will just go CIW. I don't know. It's good if I'm zooming. It's good now. Okay, good. I'm a bit unsure about this because what happens here now? Because this is a structure, right? It takes the pointer. But then I assign the point. I hope this is not taking the pointer of the.
Lucas, can I ask about? Can I ask you about one thing?
Hmm.
So, you know about STL and GLFW,
STL
right?
and, yeah.
Yeah, you've used both, right?
Yeah, I've used both.
Yeah. I don't know. Is there something that you really dislike or that you like with the APIs?
I don't know. I think both of them are fine. I don't really have anything to criticize, to be
I
honest,
see.
because yeah, both of them are fine.
Right, but you see, I'm making my own thing, and I don't want it to be fine. I want it to be amazing.
Well, honestly, just I don't know, the input thing, like how to pull inputs, was kind of weird because there was like the hold and release. I would like to have like different methods to just, if that's possible. That's one thing I found like would be really nice if it was like one that you could call if a key is being held or if a key is just being pressed, you know, or you know.
Right. So you want to know if something is being pressed, released, or held, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
basically, yeah. If that's because
Is that
that's
what
not
you're saying?
because it's like sometimes you just wanna every time as long as it's being, you know, down, you want to execute something. But sometimes you just want to, when they press and on release, you want them to yeah, release. I guess on release you could have something, or like only when it's pressed down. Yeah. Oh, like that's also pretty good. Am I making sense?
Okay.
I think I'm
I
making
think.
sense.
All right. But you know, in STL, when you do like the pulling with the events and you check if it's closed, do you like that way of doing things?
Pulling off the vendor, checking if it's closed. What do you mean?
Yeah, like in STL, you like pull the events and
Mm.
then you like switch on the event. You know.
If I switch on.
Maybe you haven't used STL that much. I don't know.
You mean when you pull the events, you do switch case on which event it was? Don't you usually just go for each loop
Yeah.
and check? Just not. No, no,
For each.
no, no. Okay, that's
You mean
you. Yeah,
why?
yeah. I'm just thinking wrong right now. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So you
Yeah,
switch.
I guess.
Which event was executed? No, that is fine, I think, and I don't know if there's a better way to do it really.
Yeah.
I wonder though if I'm doing a bad
Yeah.
frames, because I get 4 images and I have 3 frames in flight. I hope I'm not making a misjudgment here. No, I'm not. I think I'm not. If I look at this is all fine. Yeah, this should be fine. So then we should get all of these. We should create all of the semaphores, and now with the semaphores for that, I should be able to also remove from here. This one we can still keep, but this has to go. Well, what did I do? I pressed the wrong button. Wait, what? I want this one to be gone. Like so. Yes, that's swap chain semaphore I want to keep here. Fence info. I could almost have a create semaphore function called, but I don't know. Render fence, and then we will not have this any longer. That will not exist. And here's one thing that we will not call this here any longer. That can go away from this dnit. Instead, we will put that. I hope I don't do that in. What do I call from here? I just call destroy swap chain surface get surface check swap chain chronos. Okay. Okay, it's just okay. That's what the recreation. We should be fine then. Then in here we should be able to just do for self. I could go through each of the render semaphores like that, and then semaphore. Oh, the music is such a banger right now. Like Bro, I'm getting like, I was so fucking tired, but right now I'm like, wow, I could go for one for days. And then we can paste this in here. And we can take this out. And in here, now we can just do, we should have access to the semaphore directly. Whoa, yeah, back. Then here we can just say the semaphore. I am not sure if this is correct though. Do I have to do by reference before? I probably have to do by reference, and then I have to do the same as I do here. And then, oh no, we can see already this is wrong. Yeah, that is wrong. We cannot do that. But this is correct. What happens if I do, whoopsie daisy? No, that seems also to be doing the right thing at least, so that's pretty good. Bro. Okay. So then this should deinitialize those, and now we should not have any render semaphores inside of these things any longer, so yeah. Now we can go back to the, what am I doing? We can go in here, and we should have some issues at the top of this thing, which we apparently don't, but we should have, like, let's see if I just, oh, okay. We should have though, there's no such thing as a, wait. No, this is fine. Okay. Oh shit. Wait, what was the key? Fuck, I always forget the key for redoing. It's so inconvenient. I always think it's like, because I'm used to like control set and control shift set or control U, but control R. Obviously it's control R. Easy. Anyways, so in here, we should be able now to just do a, because now we have received the image index, and then we can say just const render semaphore, which will be equal, well, maybe I should also tell it what it's going to be. Yeah, I should. It's gonna be a vk.c vk semaphore, and this we're going to get from the swap chain. So we're gonna go self.swapchain dot render semaphores, and we're gonna access with the image index. That is how we're going to use this thing. Unused local variable, that's fine. Now I need to find semaphore. I can't spell. Semaphore. Like so. And let's see, where do we use this render? There it is. This is the one I want to change, right? So I'm gonna do a space AMA. No matches found, that's great. That's fine. No, that's not fine. Wait. How was I supposed to... How did I do an easy find and replace? Because I don't... Oh, it was like that. Okay, I don't know, bro, that's... And we're gonna go... We're gonna change it to be... Did I accidentally do a bit too much? Okay, that's fine. What is wrong now? The syntax is awful. I don't know what I did. I did something wrong apparently. All new. Okay, I don't know. But anyways, we're just gonna go here. I'm gonna take this. It is this. I don't know why. Yeah, it has to be pointer for that. Okay, well, I'm just gonna take it one by one then. Because I'm not really sure here. So we're gonna say render done semaphore. Was it? Oh, I lost the whole LSP. Great. Let's just reopen it. There, now it's back. And render semaphore, like that. That's what we're gonna be using. Use it for clear identifier. Okay, now it's just tripping balls. Okay, and then we're gonna take this thing. But this one has to be the pointer actually, so we should have been fine. Bruh, I'm stupid. It's okay. It's okay. Render semaphore. Like so. And let's see, where else do we have the render? Or what was it called? Done is actually what I'm trying to find for. That's the only place. Okay, then it should be fine. I don't know why it's complaining here. Unclear render semaphore done. That is not even what we're using there anymore. I don't know why you're yapping about it. So I don't know. I'm just gonna close it and open it again. Great LSP, it's broken. Where is it broken? Can I see which line? Can I somehow go to the line? Can I see which line it's yapping about? I have no idea. It's just some line. It's completely broken. And it's like, okay, great. I cannot even know. Great. No, that should be fine. It's fine. It's probably fine. So we're just gonna go here, and this one can actually. Why is it? Okay, whatever. Whatever. I don't care. Sig build run. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have to go to the swap chain and then line 40. Why is this one not complaining? It says that this one is not fine, but I don't get that there's an error. Why? Anyways, it's fine. Type expected type optional pointer found struct image. Okay, that's why. Semaphore. Let's see, now it's return swap chain 50. Yeah, okay, now we just need to assign also the. I'm gonna do it next to the images. Dot sema render. Why is the LSP gone again? Oh my fucking god. Swap chain. Can I somehow? I need to get a render semaphores. Wasn't it supposed to be Control Y to accept, or was it just Y? I don't remember. Render, was it Alt Y? No. Render Control Y? No, not Control Y. Render. Why can I not accept it? Render, no, not. What was it? Tab? No. Okay. When it suggests I don't know what they're called in words to be used, how to accept the word. Yes. Why would we always put equals? I don't know. The built-in no plugin. No. Control P. Control R? Control P and N. So render Control R? No. I swear to God, it Fucking Christ. I swear it was Control Y. But it doesn't seem to do the thing. It does something weird instead, I don't know. Render, I'm just gonna type it out now. I don't care. Force. I shouldn't have to do anything more than that. I don't know, the LSP sucks. I need a key to refresh this, the LSP. And look at that! No errors, no validation errors. Easy! Not even sweating. Although I don't know why this thing is yapping that there's some errors in the code, but there isn't. See, I know what I'm doing. Except for I don't know my fucking key bindings and shortcuts for Neo. Besides that, I know what I'm doing. Has Discord died or something? No?
Nope.
What is Tipon? I got mentioned in a channel called Tipon. I have no idea what's going on. Tipon. Swear to God, somebody pinged me in here. Well, whatever, it's fine. I don't care. I'm cool like that. Alright. Next thing. I need to figure out how to reload my LSP. I don't want to have to reopen the files all the time. Is there a shortcut to reload LSP? Yes. LSP restart. Oh. Wait. Whoa! I did the wrong thing. What if I do that? I don't know, that shouldn't do anything. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have a... Do I have R for something? No, nope. Okay, but I should be able to do LSP restart. Let's quickly check that out. LSP restart. Look at that. Okay, actually, I have a mega plan. This look at me, guys. I'm gonna vibe code a little bit. We're gonna go into NeoVim, and then here I'm gonna ask Claude for a simple thing. Can you add a shortcut to reload LSP? Because this is gonna happen a lot of times apparently. So we want a shortcut for it, right? And after that, I'm gonna ask it. I want an easy way to go between these tabs. I know I can do something like leader B and then switch to other buffer. But the thing is, I hate using this as navigation. I guess I could do I would like to just do Alt and then press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would make sense, but I don't know if it's a NeoVim kind of acceptable shortcut. What?
6, 7.
6, 7. Harold is speaking the language of people's language. And then a Control W would be move. Very nice. But that doesn't seem to do anything. What did I do? I'm doing something, guys. I want a easy shortcut to just... Because I don't want to go like this and then be like... Oh, delete buffer. Well, I guess that's not too bad. So I guess I could just do B and toggle B and then could just use that. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's see here. They added this and then... okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Can't you like GT? What is GT? GT. Go to previous tab page. Ah. Yeah, no, it doesn't actually seem to work, but thanks. Okay. So now we can quit all, we can open up a new one, we can go to the renderer, we can close that, and then we can just do like so. So now we'll always have a and of course a leader reload. So LSP reload. Now because I wanna be in the, and also wait, can I do that? Okay, so let's open up another one. We can do main, for example, and I could just you're telling I could just do one GT, two GT, GT, no, GT, one GT. No, doesn't seem to do anything. Because, I mean, okay, maybe it's not too bad to just do space B, B for other buffer. But it also would be kind of convenient to just go, where's the previous buffer? No idea why brokey. You also make so that the left sidebar is not active when starting. I prefer to open it manually with leader plus E if I need it. A small thing. Oh, because it's buffered and not actual tabs. Yes. I don't know. Is that the default thing in Lazy Vim? I have no idea. If I go here to just NeoVim, let's see, config. Oh wait, but this the thing also. If I just, oh no, that's fine. I don't know what it's actually called. This thing that is opening the buffer tabs. It's, you know. But
Magic.
it's called magic. We do magic. Lazy Lua here. Is it like buffer? No. What was the thing for? Was it D? No. F. Find files. It was find grep. Yeah. Um. Oh no! Anyways. Let's actually go into the config and see. Then find grep. But that's not, no. What is it? Search? Grep? Okay, here. So, find things in telescope. Oh, because it's a buffer. Yeah, buffer. So here, let's see. Keymaps Lua. Create buffer. You can create buffer. That's crazy. I don't think that's the same thing. Anyways, let's see. I'll help you disable the auto opening of the left sidebar file explorer when new starts. Let's first find where the file explorer configuration is set up. Search. Let me check LazyVim default configuration, see if there's blah blah blah. Home configuration LuX. What the fuck? Find. I mean, sure. I don't know really if that's gonna. It should have access to the files either way, but no wait. Yes, those files it should have access to. I don't know why it has to ask for that permission. DOM headless find local quit echo LazyVim path not found direct. Okay, good. That's fine. Yeah, you can do that. But there it shouldn't have anything to do. Find. I think it's on the wrong track. I think it's definitely on the wrong track right now. Sure. Apparently, if you open files with Ctrl T in Telescope, it actually does tabs. Wait, hold on. Stack empty, huh? I don't know what is going on about right now. I think we're just gonna tell it to stop. Nope. We're gonna do something different now. Instead, we are going to currently I have to do leader plus B to toggle between tabs buffers. Can we make it possible to... What would be most convenient? Okay, press. I can still go with space buffer N. I would like to use the numbers to do leader plus B plus number toggle bit to a specific tab buffer. Starting from one most left up to 9. If beyond 9, if beyond 9, beyond 9, then too bad. I don't know, maybe it had a cool implementation for it. Oh damn, you lazy beamed 10,000 lines in config. What? No, my lazy beam shouldn't be that many. It's only 52. Or I don't know. Oh no, what did I press? Yeah, I don't have many. Maybe in total I have... No, I don't think I even have in total 10,000. Maybe I have 2,000 lines of code in my NeoVim. But, oh wait, the lazy Vim actual repo. Yeah, okay. Maybe that, yeah. Actually, before we do anything, dot git commit dash m added lsb reload git push. And let's see. Let's try this then. But what I mean is LazyVim has 10k other things configured by default. Yes, it does. It's crazy. So B9. Oh, I think it might have... No, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's see if it actually works though. Let's open up key maps, and then we're gonna open up... Let's open up lazy as well. So now if I do... Oh, look at that. I'm mixing up my key bindings, but yeah. And if I do 3, that should do nothing. Ah, perfect. It actually just did work like that. Just like that. What did it do? Leader function require buffer line go to buffer I through the end string go. Very nice. Very nice. It's perfect. Git commit dash m move tabs more easily. Git push more buffers, but like so. And we can close all these. Now I can easily just renderer, and we can now open up, for example, let's pick up the main. So now I can just do this, and I can easily toggle between them. I don't even have to click on anything. Crazy! Crazy! Woo! We're getting somewhere. Okay, so now we can move on to the next thing, which is gonna be awful. Great. Grape. This is the next part. I have to figure out the drawing of this. So we're gonna have to take and uncomment that. This is just gonna be color attachment, the depth attachment, the render info. Yep, all of these are going to be uncommented. Begin rendering pipeline. Here we're gonna start using one of the pipelines, the second apparently. I guess I can choose which one. Which one is least complexity of these pipelines? I don't remember. We have a default graphics pipeline. Let's see here. This is a compute. Then we create another compute. Then I create a graphics pipeline. I think this one is for the triangle, the simple triangle that you guys see there, right there. That thing. And I think we'll go for that one first because that's so easy to just. Init graphics, so it should be number 2, and then number 3 is for the. Why the fuck do I have someone? Okay, whatever. So number 2 is fine then. Let's start by drawing the triangle. So this is taking back the triangle basically. Why do I try to do this over here? We shouldn't be trying to do this over here. I don't think we should be trying to do that over here. This is for a later part. Yep. Shouldn't happen here. We're gonna take this back into business. And then we're gonna take this into business. Whoa, why is it bitching? Unused. Haha, that's why. Then here. Like so. Then we're gonna draw the triangle, simple as that. Then here is the mesh. We don't care about the mesh. I don't care about the projection, I think, even for this. Don't care about the push constants, no. But I do care about ending the... What? What am I pressing? Like that I care about. So VK end rendering, draw indices, bind index buffer, no. Push constant, no, no. No. Bind descriptor sets. This I might care about. Bind pipeline. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna run it. And it will complain, but I want to see what it's gonna complain about. What? What? No, it should complain. The stupid thing. Oh, no, it should complain. I swear. I'm missing one thing. I don't do any transitions, or did I uncomment the transitions? Well, hold on, wait. Or does this... Wait, no, oh, I did uncomment the transitions. No, wait, these are still the same transitions. Draw image barrier, wait, hold on. Wait, no, wait. Huh. Oh, wait, okay, so it was from before. Oh yeah, because before I was still using these barriers, or like I had them uncommented, but they didn't really do anything. I just put up a bunch of barriers that wasn't doing anything, and now that's why it works now. Okay, because this was what I was like concerned about. I was like, I should be doing this somewhere, right? Okay. Okay. Still a bit unsure that it's just worked that smoothly, because I feel like... Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Actually, nothing? Nothing? And I do run with validations. Let's see. I initialize... Yeah. Okay, we can take this. This is gonna be awful. But... Let's see. Mother. Okay. Yeah, no, it looks good. Good information, valid data. There doesn't seem to be anything weird about it, anything. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, well that's fine then, I guess. I'm not gonna continue running with this. This is actually just if I really wanna debug something, I'm gonna enable that. But fuck, trying to read the console, otherwise it's a fucking nightmare. Okay, we got the triangle back. Now, in theory, the next thing here is for us to actually get the texture on that damn Ben Bozo. I don't know how it's supposed to look like. We can actually see how it's supposed to look like. VK guide. That's not how you spell it. Fuck, VKGY. And it's from here. Okay, I don't know why I'm not feeling tired at all, bro. I swear to God, I was like so tired. I even took a nap before I went live. I was like, ugh. And now I'm like, okay, come on. We are gonna. It created all of these images, right? And then this is how it should be looking like after, except for my shitty thing instead of their beautiful monkey head. That's what we should be having. Well, the thing is, everything seems to be in perfect order. We are even initializing the graphics here. Passing the right. Hold on. Mesh config. Config mesh, fragment shader triangle. Okay, here I might be a bit unsure if I'm passing the right. Yeah, no, this is wrong. Okay. Hold on. What am I passing in? Texture, colored. Shaders, colored, triangle, mesh, vertex. No, that's triangle, mesh, vertex. That's fine. It's just very bad naming. I hate this, but it's fine. We're still. This is all throwaway shit. Okay, it's gonna be thrown away. Harold, am I right? Harold knows it's gonna be thrown away.
You're throwaway.
Harold agrees, as you can clearly hear. But then this should all be pretty much fine. Okay. This is just the old this thing. I just refined it a little bit, if you want to call it that. So we should be fine with how it is. Yeah. But we're still gonna check it out real quick, right? So we are now gonna go. This is the part I'm not sure about, because this is where we use their stupid BS fucking piece of object-oriented design where I have tried to translate it to Sig. And I'm like, fuck. But it's gonna be fine, alright? It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. We are going to need to do all of these shits, but I don't think it should happen here. I think it should happen once we get to. We want to draw the triangle. Now I'm concerned about binding the right pipeline, trying to apply the right shaders and whatnot. And I think this code here should suffice. If it's not enough, then, well, you know, I will blame Harold.
Fair.
Valid. I will just do a big one like this so I can easily find it. And I'm gonna put a to-do even. I'm gonna go crazy. What the fuck? Why is it not beautiful? Ah. There. And then I'm gonna put another one here because this is kind of, or I don't know, I don't have a like a working. But this is my way of just putting my attention that I'm working inside of this section right now. Maybe I could even make it worse. Like that. This is where we're gonna be working. Because yeah, this is a monolith of code. This is very bad, but no, it's fine. It's fine. It's throwaway code. I'm not even gonna check anything what it does, because I'm gonna make the assumption that it's not gonna work, and we will cry a little bit once it breaks, but that's fine. Perfect. Segmentation fault. Well, that's no good, and not really any useful information either. Yeah. No, I don't think this will actually help us, but I want to see it because I would rather debug it with that rather than going to GDB. So let's see. It even rendered a few frames. No, wait, it's frame 0. Okay, no. We can update descriptor. Okay, so the update seems to have been fucked up. And that's like literally update set here. So it's from here then, in that case. And that can only be messed up if, let's see, why can that be messed up? It's this should all be very much fine. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna put these ones over there, and then we're gonna start another code. And yeah, probably whoopsie daisy, don't you guys worry about that. Open recent wiki guide. There, we're gonna search for this, right? And then we're gonna see chapter 3. I probably have like draw background. It's probably this one I should look into. No, wait, there are two different ones. Okay, great. Here, this is the one. It should be this one. But they don't do the damn right. What the fuck? They should have the rights. Chapter. I'm on the wrong chapter. Okay, what the fuck? Writer. Okay, here. Yes. Okay, here. Yeah, this is the same thing, the same section that I'm trying to replicate. Draw geometry, okay, over there. Okay, yeah, okay. So bind pipeline, they take the mesh pipeline, that's number 3 for me. Bam. And then they have current frame allocate, so they take the descriptor frame and then they allocate. This is where I'm getting confused, that's okay. Current frame descriptor allocate device and then pass in a single descriptor layout. This I find very displeasing, but we're gonna roll with it, say that it's fine. And then here they're gonna create a temporary writer.
When you say it's fine, but it's not really fine.
Yeah, exactly. Fuck me, bro. Everything seems to be alright. So I don't understand. Yeah, there shouldn't be a segmentation fault. Well, I'm also just making the assumption that it's here that it's breaking. So we're gonna do this if off, if true, at panic. No, panic, yeah. And then we're gonna say, as my favorite error message, lol xddd. That's very instruct. Why the fuck do I get this beautiful
XDD?
There. This is my favorite debug message of all time. And we shouldn't even get this debug though, in this case. I'm 10% sure. Yeah. But if I move it up here, now I think we should be getting it. And it shouldn't segfault, it should just panic. Yeah. So it is here. Let's see, could it be... I just want to narrow it down. Okay, so yeah, this thing is fine. Writer should definitely be fine. Let's see. Yeah, it's the update set that is broken, but that means that anything before that could be broken. Yeah. Whoa! I didn't even know I could do that. But this now we're not gonna get it. Now it's gonna segfault. Yep. So fuck. What can be broken here? We have the image set, which should definitely not be broken. Device is definitely not broken either. So that means something in here when it calls. So if I put this, we should get our error message, I think. Or panic. Yep, our panic is still there. So it's the thing that gets passed in here. That cannot be wrong. That's 100% correct. Descriptor count. Well, that one can definitely be wrong. maybe. That's the way. Descriptor write count. Descriptor copy. No, okay, copies. Oh, okay, thank God. Then, I'm passing something wrong in here. But I wonder what that could be. Let's see, I'm gonna try this. What was the better command for printing? Well, I guess for debug is still good, okay.
std log.
But just for debugging that I will just remove either way, I think it's better to just use print, right?
Yeah, just use debug. Yeah.
And then we're gonna type, wait, what was it was CIB? No, wasn't CIB, CIB. Ah, it was. See, I'm braining.
Hey.
B, C, D, F, G. Okay, and then I'm gonna say, what information do we have about the set?
Precisely.
The set is, what is the set? Where is the set coming from? It's, okay, then I want to know more about every writer. And the type. That's the information I want, yeah. Oops. Cut that, and then I'm gonna just say disk type, and then I'm gonna say like that, and it was D, and then I'm gonna do like this, and then we also need a new line, like so. What? No. The fuck? No way, it's supposed to be like that. Nah, this is wrong. This is right. I think it's hallucinating. No? What? Is it actually... Harold, have I forgotten how to do a print? Isn't this how you...
debug.print.
Yeah, and then you do the...
You're not streaming.
And then... what? What? How?
You're streaming. Yeah, you disconnected for like a split second before, and yeah.
Okay. Isn't it... Why does it suggest that I should have a... I'm not supposed to have a semicolon here, right? What am I doing wrong?
You're supposed to have a dot before the curly braces.
That was the thing, yes. Thank you. I was like, no way I forgot how to do it. Well, I did forget, but... So there is descriptor type 1. So there is a descriptor type. And then there's a descriptor set. So all of this should be valid. Oh, what the fuck? Update descriptor set, descriptor writes p image info, image layout does not fall within the begin range of VK enumerator tokens. Yeah, that seems about right. Vulkan specs if descriptor set is VK descriptor type combined image sampler VK descriptor set or VK the image member each element of EP must be either valid image view handle or VK handles null. Yeah, okay. So there is definitely something that is wrong with this thing. P descriptor right. It's these ones that it gets in. And then it gets the first image info. Okay. I want to get to this. And then I want to get to the... Where the fuck is the damn update? Updates, bro. I want to read the damn source code. Jesus Christ. Ah! Hey! Okay, update. There, boom, easy. No, they just do that. And then they provide the data and that should be it. But I don't understand because... Okay, there's another thing that could be wrong and that's how I pass in the layout. But that cannot be... Oh wait, there's another thing. Okay. So it takes them from the rights, right? Where am I? Where is this? There's just a bunch of functions here. I have no idea what. Okay. Here. So there's a write image and write buffer. And then here they do image info, write. They do this, and then info is this info over here, which is the layout. And the same for the write buffer. Okay. So append image, create the same thing. I passed. Why does it? Why do they keep track of the infos? Wait. Because they do. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay, yeah, so they do. They just do it in this weird way where they emplace it at the same time they return it. Okay. Yeah, so that I do that too. But I don't do it in the same call. And what else happens? Right, but I call clear and destroy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to do something funny real quick.
Wow, that's so funny.
It's gonna be super hilarious. Just you wait, just you wait. Just you wait, Harold. Just you wait. It's gonna be inside of... Wait, where is it? Reset command buffer. Begin, draw image, battery, transition. I swear to God, they did a clear, which I didn't like. But I cannot find out. Command, push, draw, and copy, check, submit. I swear to God, I did a clear. Maybe because I don't do the clear that I have the issue. No, I would have some other issues before that then. Oh, but wait a minute. That's the thing, right? And here, because I do append image, do pass in everything here, right? This is all fine. Yeah, yeah. I append the damn image. I should have this info. Is it a pointer actually? No, it's a structure. So these pointers should still be valid once it's... Even that thing should be valid, yeah. This information, even though it's... Oh. Yeah, I cannot pass that, but what I can pass in here is I can pass the self dot image infos. This I can do, and then self dot image info self dot what am I trying to find? Image count. I don't know if that's the right thing I should be incrementing. Well, I'll call it image count. So I'm just gonna call it image count. That's a bad name. It's such a bad name. And we're gonna increment the point, this thing, once we're done here. I think that's fine. We don't use it. Yeah, so we're just gonna do this, and then we're gonna pass the address of that, because that pointer should be valid. This one is not gonna be valid. Or it might be, but not really. Wow, look at that! Textures! They are fucked. Textures! Crazy. I wonder what happens if I resize it. Okay, it worked. I was actually hoping for it to... Textures! It's not really textures, because you know what I'm saying. I'm actually surprised that it's... I actually have a few things I still need to integrate, which I have not. But it's fine, you know, it's fine. We can be stupid sometimes, and things will kind of work out anyways. But... wasn't I supposed to actually have a different... Or is that what this is about? To do the... Image allocator, update. Where do I put the damn... This whole mess over here, I'm not really sure about what the fuck is going on. There's a buffer. But I wonder why is it not using a different... Because I do have this single descriptor layout. And then I have these images. Am I stupid? Probably I don't answer that. But... I wonder, how is it... Oh, because it's just temporary. But I might have a lot of memory leaks with this thing. Because now I do an allocate every time. And then after the... If I run this and I exit normally, it was... I bet there will be... There has to be memory leaks. Because I was trying to find the thing where I... clear that thing. I should have one call to it, but I don't, so let's see. Yeah. Wait, now this is just more information. Wait, fuck. Okay, wait, guys, I swear, there should be memory leaks, I'm telling you guys. Like so.
Yeah, there probably are.
There are, trust me, bro, look at this. Boom. Okay, no, that's not the memory leaks I was looking for.
Bro, I think your memory is leaking, you know.
My memory is definitely leaking though, but okay, there's a few problems. But that's fine. Oh, wait, I think I know. Oh, yeah. Those problems are actually from here. I just realized I'm stupid once again. I cannot do this. I actually have to go through it like this. Fuck. I have to do 0 dot to self dot image count. And then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take I for index, obviously. And then what was the key? It was CIW. Easy. I could have done that way faster, but I need to remember these keys, alright? Self dot render semaphores, and then we're gonna access them by index. And now we should not have as many issues as we have. Yeah, look at that. I already just draw index, which went wrong, which just is a format error. Well, that's not too bad. These are all good stuff. These are things that just says good. They say good, all right. You can, when you see this, you can say it says good. But this I will not fix that right now. It's a minor issue. We have a bigger issue, which is that I'm not actually. Wait, image view. But that has to be the image. Why is it? What does it actually have to be? It has to be. I just call it image. That's why. I would like to rename it to just image view, because that's so misleading. Otherwise, I'm getting confused by reading that. And then we can go back in here, and if I do a reload on the LSP, it says image view there now too. But I wonder, like, where can I select? Isn't this where I should select what image texture I want to use? What is this image set? No, that is that thing. It's the banger music again, guys. Banger, exactly. You get it. I swear to God, this is where I should be changing which texture I'm trying to use. I'm pretty sure that it's somewhere around those corners. How do I change which image the shaders will use to draw their textures for the mesh? And then I'm gonna look in this thing at the same time, because I'm pretty damn confident that it should be around these corners, right? But apparently I'm just not doing it right. Here, because this is where you put what it's supposed to use, which image view. Bro, I'm so damn stupid. It literally says right there. Holy shit. Yeah, error board checker, but you can see it didn't update. So if I try to change this to let's say, what else do we have here? If I type for image, I could take a white. Let's take white. Who doesn't like white? Like so. It should be white, but I think it will, probably because I have something else wrong, it won't be. Oh, it was white. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, maybe then it's how I generate the checkerboard image. Not true. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Look at that. It's white. Wow! But then, why doesn't the checkerboard? What am I doing wrong with the checkerboard when I initialize it? You can see I do all of them over here. We have the white. Woo-wee! Exactly. Then we have a gray, we have a black, we have a magenta, and then here the error checkerboard should be, which... Hey, what the fuck? Yeah, no, this... Okay, that's... I have mixed up. Magenta is the one that I'm trying to use. No, Venta, this is just a color. But this isn't being used at all? Wait, what? Because you can see here we create the black color, right? And then upload... Okay, here. But I do upload the pixels. So it's probably just how I generate this shit that it doesn't work properly. Okay, we're gonna do something that is really silly. Why am I making things so fucking hard for myself? Okay. It's the wrong key. Okay, there. We're gonna say if we're gonna do stripes. If x if at mod x, all right. CIW, no, CIW, fuck. CIW? Yeah, nailed it first try. Anyways, if numerator x, comma 2, can I do, then we're gonna do this thing. Wow, look at that, that's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna do pixels y multiplied by 16 plus x is equal to, well, I could do the same there, but I'm gonna make it this awful thing, magenta, and then we do an else, and we're gonna make it equally as awful, but I just need something that is so damn explicit and awful that I can't, like, this I cannot misunderstand, right? Like, I cannot, black image? No, I want the black color. Black, like so. This cannot go wrong. Like, now it should have it should be stripes. So if now go back to the thing there at the wait, this is the return here, and I change the right. Wait, I went too far. It's here. Okay. Instead of being white, we're gonna go visual mode, we're gonna go back, we're gonna delete it, and we're gonna say error checkerboard dot image. Why is it image view also? That sounds a bit, I should look into that. But anyways, now this should guarantee something, right? An error. Expected bool, okay, that makes sense. That's fair. 136. No! Equals true. Oh shit. I did undo something that I wasn't supposed to undo. It's fine. Because you know what? We're gonna go down to line 300. I don't remember where it was. Oh, we have to go to like 500. Wait, what? Yeah, 600 would have been closer. Yeah, that was the thing I wanted to fix. Yeah, bam. Okay, now it's gonna work. Fuck. Why not? Use size. What? Incompatible types, use size and bool. Does it actually return? The fuck? Okay. That's okay. You know, we're gonna do one instead then. Why did I move this? Wrong key button. Again. I'm learning my keys, okay? Fuck, I forgot to say that it's whatever, you guys. You don't understand. Yeah, okay, this is not looking good, guys. What? What? What if I tell it to be 0 instead? What key am I pressing that does that? It seems like it's just taking the first color and completely neglecting the other. That could be either be a shader issue or it's an actually my kind of issue. I hope it's a shader issue. I should actually be going to sleep, to be honest, but bro, this is too exciting. We're gonna go inside. I should have a default Planetary Zigma there. Invalid. Ah! Can't locate patch or matching executable. What? Oh yeah, because it's a different path nowadays. That's right. Wait, no, that is, yeah, it's a different path. It's instead of P, capital P, I renamed and moved my stuff a little bit because it was inconsistent. So we can see here we got the thing, and then we can take a snapshot. Boom. And I guess we don't really need it anymore. So how do I stop it? I forgot how to stop the thing. Well, that's not good. Is it this button? No. Is it that? Stop the thing! No! Stop it. Harold, how do I stop the thing? How do I stop my
Stop the thing?
Yes, how do I stop it? I don't remember.
Press escape?
I tried. I don't want to record more frames.
Mode Q.
I tried that too.
Do you know what the name of the title of the
I don't think I think there is an inbuilt key. How do I stop the program?
Bro, just do PK.
No. Side render doc. XD. Just to also 2000 FPS. Yes, that's probably not good for my graphics card, to be honest. Press the kill process button. Where? Hit X on the capture. Where? If frozen, you're up. No. F. Wait. In application analysis, Control F2. No. I'm just pressing every key except for F12 because I don't want to do another capture. And but for fuck's sake, what the kill yourself. Okay, I made it crash instead. Well, it doesn't look good. I want to isolate it.
Say.
But yeah, here we can see this. This is the actual texture that it loaded in. I don't know why this is. I'm just gonna move it over there. I don't care. Wait, can I not just dock it back in here in place? Yes, I can. Thank God. Anyways, what is the? Oh, but the image is only 1 by 1. Well, that made. But why is it yellow? Yeah, whatever. I don't care. The real issue is that it's
Owned by you.
True. Drawing blit image. But I would like to know why it's. Why is it 1 by 1 pixels? It shouldn't be a 1 by 1. This should be a larger. So that's the real issue here. That's not funny that. Or I'm making I don't know. Textures, yeah. Where did it draw the mesh anyways? Because this was just command dispatch. Ah, draw index here. Mesh viewer. Where is the damn mesh? Ah. There it is. But it's kind of weird. Okay, so the problem is that just I'm actually loading in the image wrong. What am I saying here? Let's see, image init. Oh. Well, obviously, I'm doing it wrong. It should be a 16 by 16. Now, ladies and gentlemen, behold. It's still the same. Fuck. Why? Why? Okay, but that doesn't make sense. What? Okay, let's launch another one and no, don't save this. And we're gonna take another snapshot. And we're gonna make it crash again by... okay, maybe not. How did Ah! Anyways. I can still inspect the thing while it's having issues. To just... Oh, look. I told you! But for some reason it's just not doing the right thing with the textures. And they should be blank and pink, but they are yellow and red. It's just some formatting I have wrong, right?
That's great.
It should be red, green, blue, alpha, but that's the same. Dude, you got 8 bits, so it should be the same, right? Red, green, blue, alpha. That's TU32. Oh, but I use U8. Ah, right. Then it makes sense. Okay, but still kind of weird. But nonetheless, it shouldn't. Wait, what did it do in the tutorial? I swear I have followed the tutorial 1-to-1, and that's why I have. Okay, fuck. We're gonna check the tutorial real quick. This thing. And you're gonna see image. Okay, that was not really checker. Here, let's see. They use this, but they use a U32. I don't... Oh, because we put inside of... Harold, in your thing, is U32 referring to the whole thing being... Yeah, it's not individual things being U32. No, it cannot be. Right?
No.
Well, it seems like you do...
U8.
Wait. Should I put U... that's the problem, bro. I should put U8 in here, right? Alright?
I don't know.
But it's your color stuff, bro.
My color stuff. Oh, that's what you're talking about.
Yes.
But no, the thing you pass in is is for each element, not the whole thing.
Yeah, so this one should be a U8.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do the same for black, and then it should be fine. Okay, well at least it actually got black now. So that's pretty good. That's an upgrade. I still don't know how to close the damn thing. So I'm just gonna start the next one on top of this. Isn't there actually like a setting to just exit the thing? Now I have 2 of them running. We're gonna take a snapshot. We're gonna load this thing in. And if you go to texture viewer, then we're gonna load in. Now it's red and black. But it is 16 by 16 at least, so that's pretty good. Wait, but it might also be that I don't have any mapping on this then. I don't load them UVs. Right. I think I don't do that. I'm trying to fix a problem that I'm not even Let's see, I have this in the wrong file, but it's okay. Let's see, what do I even take in? I take in yeah, I don't consider the UVs. I just take in the positions and the indices. Yeah. That's why. It's kind of hard to get your damn colors right if you don't have any UVs. But that's okay. Look at that. I have 2 of them running at the same time. This one got cursed because I scaled down a few times. But that's okay. It's okay. That's it. I don't know still how to close these things. Peak kill. How did I use to control shift? Where to guard and ESC should work. Stop. Kill. Die. Why would you die? This is so annoying. Control 2. No, that's nothing. Oh! I don't know, something happened. It's the... Oh! Look at that! Textures! I should probably fix that the scale goes up also, but or like fixes. That's a small issue. Bro, we almost got textures, kind of. Why do we have 2 captures? Oh, because it's probably saved because of the old one. Render docs. Stop application. There has to be a way to kill it, right? Render fails to launch map. No, my fails to die. Replay render control, blah 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 blah. How to capture? Actually, no one. Am I the only one in the world with this stupid issue? Nah, no way.
Yeah, you're the only one.
I'm the only one. Setting general allow capture triggering. Or set capture. Let's see, file. Settings. Let's see, do they have... There has to be some key binding to kill the thing. Command. Comments, no. Android, fuck. Shaders, textures, replay. My ass. Why can't I have to stop the application? Of all of the things I thought I would have problems with was this was not on the list. How do I stop the application from running? I guess I could do a peak kill. But that was so funny. This, I can't stop the thing. Okay. Peak kill. Is it just all? Peak kill. No, kill all. Kill all. It's -9. Planetary Zigma. Like so. Easy peasy. But Jesus Christ. I think we'll leave it at that. I told you we will be getting somewhere. I still have a little bit of shit to do. For example, getting the UVs and moving the code around and also adding this shit. And I would also like to restructure those damn descriptors, scroll descriptors. They are great, but the way they are created in the tutorial, this thing fucking OP. I need to fix that. We're gonna fix it. We are going to fix it, trust me. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for tuning in. For me, I still might do a little bit of few small things, but I would say good night, and I wish you a pleasant night, and or whatever the time zone is in. Bill is calling. I'm going. Bye bye.